Do you know that your entire digital life, your login page, your email, your banking info, your most important login credentials would be stolen or hijacked in seconds? The worst is not by an elite hacker, not cracking encryption, but by you who clicks on a link that's completely legit. I will show you a step-by-step method how this act can be done to clone any website login page. And when you click on the link, it will trigger you to willingly give out your login credentials. By the time you realize what happened, it's already too late. In this video, we are exposing phishing and social engineering trick, the world's most successful hacking tool that requires zero coding. You will see how attackers build fake login page for Facebook, Instagram, PayPal, TikTok, so real, even professionals get fooled. Before we dive into this, everything demonstrated in this video is for educational purpose. The knowledge you are about to gain comes with significant responsibility. Please don't use this to commit crime. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, to do this, go to your virtual environment. I'm using Kali Linux to demonstrate this. Then you open your terminal. First, you go to your browser and download Zfisher. Zfisher is a tool used for this. And go to the GitHub page. There is a GitHub page for the Zfisher. This is a social engineering tool. Then you go to this place and copy the code, then you go back to your terminal. I've already done this. I've already downloaded this and installed it. It's already in my virtual environment. So what you're going to do, I want to show you the step. I'm not going to click enter. I want to show you the step on how to do this, how to get the Zfisher on your machine. You type git clone, and then you paste the GitHub repository code, and then you click enter. When you click enter, you have cloned it, and then you go to the current directory, cd Zfisher. You're in the Zfisher directory. When you do ls, you see Zfisher readme.md run docker.sh script. So you will do bash Zfisher to install. Mine is already installed, so yours will take some time because it has to install some things that will enable, like Cloudflare, that will enable you to run this successfully. So we are on the Zfisher framework, Zfisher version 2.352, created by this. Select an attack for your victim. Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal, every of these websites can be cloned by Zfisher. How do we do that? So let's select Facebook. We'll be testing with Facebook first, see how this goes, and then you select one. Facebook is number one, and enter. What do we want to clone? We want to clone either traditional login page of Facebook, advanced voting poll login page, fake security login page, Facebook Messenger login page. So let's pick number one. We can pick anyone, but let's try number. So here it says localhost, Cloudflare, local expo. This we are going to use localhost for now because it's for educational purpose. If you use localhost, the difference is if you use localhost, one means that any link that will be created can only be accessed by your local machine. Outside user cannot access that link even when you send it to them. But for anyone to access the link that will be created from any network, from any machine at all, you have to use Cloudflare or local expos. For now, for educational purpose, to show you that this thing actually works, let's use one, the local host. Click and then type yes, y. Enter your custom 4-digit port. So they gave us a range of 1024 to 9999 ports. So we have to choose any one within this range. So let's use, I normally use 8 days. So what does it say? It says successfully hosted at waiting for login info. So this is the link that has already been created. When I click on this link, it's going to redirect us to Facebook login page. Let's try it. I'm going to click Control and then click on the URL link. Have you seen? It took us directly straight to Facebook login page. Have you seen that it looks exactly the same like Facebook? In fact, there's no difference. This is Facebook login page. It's a cloned Facebook login page. Facebook login or sign up. So we have your email or password. So whatever login information that is typed in here will be captured on my terminal. terminal. Let's say, for example, superhumantech@gmail.com. Super, and click login, and then let's put password. Let's say, even when we click login, it redirected us to the main Facebook login page. This very one now is the main Facebook login page. Redirected also. These things are done when you put in your login information and then it redirects you to this place. You would think maybe it's an error or something, and you will not know that you've given out your login information already. That will be your thought, and then you will forget that, you will forget to change your password. You don't know that it is been compromised. So we go back to our terminal. Have you seen? It just captured it, the information we put in there. Capture is superhumantech@gmail.com, and then the password is super. We have successfully harvested a login credential of a user. So this is basically how your username and password can be stolen. This is basically the method that hackers use. This is the method. Let's exit, Ctrl C, bash. Let's go back. So let's say we want to hack Instagram. Let's say Instagram. So we do number 2, and then tradition, still the same method. Let's say we want 1,000 followers. This is like a trick. When you use, let's say number 3, let's say number 1. And yes, enter, let's say, okay, let's pick any other port. Let's say port 4444. So successfully hosted at this port. We just created that. Control and then click. Have you seen what happened here? It took us to a page. This is a social engineering tool. It took us to a page whereby it promises you a 1,000 follower. What does it say? Let's read. Free Instagram followers trial. Get followers for an unlimited number of accounts that are free and authentic. There are several benefit for your Instagram account when you get followers from us. Increase brand recognition and visibility, bring in more revenue. When you read this, you'll be convinced. Up to 1,000 followers fast and instantly. Feel free to try the free trial. Enter your details below, and then once you enter your login here, my terminal captures it. Let's try it. superhumantech@gmail.com, and then let's use still the same thing, super, as password. Now it will submit. It says submit query. We will submit that. It takes us to the main Instagram login page. So in your mind, you would think it went successful. Let me now log into my Instagram. What does that do to you? It tricks you without you knowing to give out your information, and then when we go back to the terminal, you see that your login information has been captured, and this is exactly what these hackers do to get your login information. I hope you've learned. Please don't use this information to steal, to commit crime. This is for educational purpose and for those who are learning cybersecurity.